is Anastasia Holdridge, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel, the place to come to learn how you can make money online because no one teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by this video today. If it's your first time here, be sure to click the subscribe button, comment, and like this video so you don't miss a beat when we go live and when we upload new content. In today's video, I am going to bring a blast from the past. A long time video that has been long waited and well deserved to be made right now. It has been a long time since I've done a Quora tutorial. Many comments have come flying in. Lots of people asking me, go and do another video on Quora and make it a part 3. Well, I answered your prayers right now because in today's video, I'm going to do a part 3 and we're going to actually review the partner program and let's see what's changed since then. Now, I haven't logged into my profile account in a while and I have been answering questions on the fly from my mobile phone. I will tell you that's the truth, but I really haven't really dived in to see like what's really happening back there. So it'll be interesting to see what's going on, right? Let's look at the Quora questions and look at the type of answers that I've been answering so you guys can see what's going on, all right? But basically, for those of you who haven't noticed, Quora is actually a website. It's more like a questions and answers type of forum community where people come in and they answer specific questions based on their knowledge and experience. Now, the thing is, the Quora.com website is basically driven by the people in the community. So whether their answers are factual or based on opinion or based on experience, that's pretty much, it all depends on the person answering the question. But I've seen leaders like Neil Patel, Gary Vaynerchuk, and Marie Forleo on this site actually answering questions from the community. And I go to them because those people are just like me, an authority in Quora. So let's take a look and see what's happening. Okay, we're here at my profile, and obviously a lot has changed with the look and feel of Quora. It doesn't look quite old and outdated like it used to be, okay? They kind of condensed things a little bit. As you notice, they actually have still the menu right up above. They have the home menu. Let's see where that goes. Yep, everything pretty much looks similar, okay? And they even added this in, discover new spaces. So they have that. Questions for you. So now they're actually throwing questions at you based on the questions you answered in the past. So we noticed that. What else they have here? Discover new people. Now this is new. You get to discover who's joined Quora, recent people that open a profile, and maybe you want to network with them, connect with them, and get on that communication and dialogue basis and get to know these individuals. See what it is that they're good at in answering other questions related to the niche and interest. Then we have here, what is all of this? Wow, there's a lot of things on here. Questions for you, more questions for you. So here's the thing. If you look over here on the left, this is the feed. And the feed basically is going to show you all the questions that you could possibly answer, right? Pretty much, if you want to answer them, you can click on answer and answer the question, or you can click on pass and you can just pass on that answer. You don't have to answer every single question that comes into Quora. And then there's the follow button where if you click follow, what happens is you're following on that question, and then once it is answered, Quora is going to send you either an email or a notification to let you know that that question has been answered by somebody in the community. And then you can actually go back to it and you can actually, participate in it and give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the answer. Now, here's the thing. I answer specific questions. If you look at my profile here, okay, this is my profile. I'm known as pretty much, I would say, an authority in Quora in my niche. Why? Because let me show you something. If we go here to my profile, you'll see how many content views I am getting, okay? And I have over 178.8K. That's 178,000, okay? Content views. Wow, isn't that awesome? And just this month alone, in the month of June, I've gotten 2,000 more, 2.1K, 1,000 more this month. That means they obviously are liking my answers. Now, am I going to get paid for answering? Back in the day when I actually was in Quora, we're talking way back in 2000 and I would say 16, 17 or so, I did a video long ago in part 1 of Introduction to Quora. And if you want to see that old video, I'll post a link below here so you can actually go check that out. But you'll see the big difference with the look and feel of Quora and how things have actually changed. Now, I use Quora specifically for marketing purposes. Not only that, but I also find new prospects this way too. I actually connect with new networking contacts. I can actually answer questions based on my niche. And I may even have a friend. Who knows? But here's the thing, right? When you go here to my profile, you can see that I actually established my credentials and I highlighted some things that I'm experienced in. And then on top of that, if you click on the More tab, I even put my own photo up here with me talking on stage recently. And I even put a hyperlink to where they can get information by connecting with me when they click on my bio to go to my Facebook profile, just like so. When they click on it, it opens up in a new tab and it goes right to my Facebook profile where they can actually either add me as a friend, if that's what you want to do, or like I did here, and go to the Facebook page, the Facebook business page. This is how I grow also and get organic likes. So if I'm putting my Facebook business page, aka the Facebook fan page, on Quora, how many things do you think could possibly happen? A lot. I could possibly get a lead, I can get some sales, I can even possibly get a new contact, right? Somebody's going to communicate, somebody's going to buy something, somebody's going to be a lead. Either or, I'm going to end up with some results. Now, if we go back to Quora, okay, and scroll down, I actually have in my home tab categories that I prefer to answer questions to. I don't have to answer every single question from A to Z to make a buck. Necessarily so, you don't have to do that. Some people are crazy like that. They will do it. By all means, whatever floats your boat. But for me, I like to answer home-based business questions, entrepreneurial mindset questions, strategic wealth building type questions, affiliate marketing questions, network marketing questions, MLM multi-level marketing questions, personal branding questions, online social networking, my favorite, internet marketing questions, digital marketing questions, video marketing questions, law of attraction, personal development, small business advice. These are the areas that I have a lot of experience in, and I pretty much love answering questions in those categories. So in case you're wondering, like, what kind of categories should I get into? Well, that all depends on your experience. So the way you could look it up is you could go, and when you set up your profile, you can actually set up the categories that you want, because in your settings you can do this. So go to your settings and you can actually start right here and get everything situated, right? You got your account, privacy, email notifications, languages, any blocked or muted. What do you want to do? If people bothering you on Quora, you can block them, you can mute them. It all depends. Sometimes we do get spam here. I'm not going to lie. There are spammers in here. And that's because maybe they're internationals and, or some of them just so brand new to Quora, they don't quite understand how to use it. Well, the best thing about Quora is don't look at it as an income source, because I'll tell you, you won't make a lot of money, but look at it as a tool, right? Look at it as a tool that you could use as a existing community to tap into, that you can network with people that are like-minded you, right? Just like you. You're a network marketer, you may be able to find network marketers. You're an affiliate marketer, you may be able to find other affiliate marketers, or whatever have you, whatever floats the boat when it comes to the Quora community. Now, they even have blogs. Now, I don't use this too much, but I have created a section here, and I tried to test it out earlier today, and when I used it, I see that it's still working from the last time I used it. So obviously, I considered this blog as Ask Coach Ace. So now anytime I answer a question, I'm going to make that question and the answer into a blog post. What a great way to build your audience, right? Go ahead and answer lots of questions for the community and answer questions related to your niche specific. That way when people go, they can become followers of your blog. So let's look at the notifications here. You know what I like about the notifications? It tells me right away, okay, how many partners are actually making money from Quora. Since the new change and update for 2019, you can actually see there are 486 partners earned over 50 bucks, and as much as the highest affiliate earning $2,635.20 last week. And if you want to ask more questions and increase your earnings, you can do this just like so. So if we go here to my profile, go here to partners, I'm actually a partner. I didn't realize this until I got a ping on my notification that says you've been invited to the partner program. I'm like, what? Really? And then I looked and I'm like, look at that. I got 9 cents. And I got unpaid almost close to $1, right? I haven't done anything with this account. Now, can you imagine what I can do when I answer some questions? Okay, so I hope this actual tutorial was helpful for you. There have been a lot of updates and changes. If you'd like to see me do more Quora tutorials and more things about Quora, let me know. I know this has been a long time waiting video. I hope that this really helped you understand what Quora really could be used for. Like I said, use it as a tool. Don't use it as a primary income stream, because if you're looking for something like that, below this video is a link to my #1 recommended income stream program, and that will help you make some really great income as an online affiliate marketer. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by this video today. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live. And on top of that, my name is Anastasia Hars, better known as Coach Ace, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.